Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to create the animation from Google, I mean for Microsoft PowerPoint, just like this. This is appearing box repeatedly on my Microsoft PowerPoint. So it's really easy. You just draw any, for example, you want to draw this rectangle or curved rectangle, and then you want to make it as animation. So for example, you want to make it bounce like this, and then you have to click animation, then you have to turn on this animation pane. After animation pane, and then you can right click on the animation and then click the effect options, and then text animation, timing, and then you can repeat until the end of the slide or until the next click. So I will put the delay 0 and then the duration is fast. Click OK, and then it will be repeatedly until you click after the presentation. So I will go back and then I will do presentation. Oops, I'll do my presentation. Wait. So I from the current slide, it will repeatedly like this until you click on the slides. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.